Presenting the HP 1020 Plus single-function monochrome laser printer. The printer is ideal for offices and homes with high-volume printing requirements of more than 300 prints per month at fast speeds. The printer uses LaserJet technology, which provides fast prints at low cost. It can only perform print function. This printer can print in black and white only. Connect to the printer using the USB cable. You get a high printing speed of up to 14 black and white pages per minute. This printer supports multiple paper sizes to help you with your various printing needs. Save cost on your print requirements. Print using original HP toner at a cost of just 1.4 rupees for black and white prints. Compatible laser toner is the HP 12A Black Original LaserJet Toner Cartridge. One cartridge comes free with this printer. Use the 150 sheet input tray to quickly print multiple pages. The printer comes with HP LaserJet Print Cartridge, power cord, getting started guide and printer documentation and software on CD-ROM. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.